The use of fruit tree patterns. This section explains the use of the fruit tree pattern. Start by opening the file manager in the remote control. Then click Settings in the top right corner. Click New Folder. Please name the folder KML, otherwise the file cannot be read. Slide down the taskbar of the remote control. Click on Android System. Change the use of USB to transfer files. Locate the remote controls folder in your computer's file manager. Open the newly created KML folder and import the KML format files you need. Open the Smart Flight app. Click on the lower left corner to connect the aircraft. Click the top folder icon. Select the files you want to import. Click to import 3D route. Return to the main screen and click to execute the job. Click Start. Select a fruit tree model. Click on the left folder. Select the KML file you imported earlier. If the imported route is deviated, the aircraft can be flown first to the actual position of 1 o'clock, then click Offset to correct. Click Correct to go to aircraft position. You can correct the course back. Click Execute to enter the parameter setting interface. Click OK after setting the parameters. Slide the progress bar to start the job. The aircraft began to operate in fruit tree mode.